Okay, I've cut my 2 pieces of archival transparent film. And I didn't measure or anything like that. I just kind of eyeballed it. It doesn't have to be straight cuts or anything. That's the beauty, because it's going to be on the inside. So who cares? All right, so let me do this one first. Now, this stuff is a magnet for all things light. Dog hair, thread, dust. So you have to be really careful that everything is off of it. Because otherwise you'll be in trouble. Now, I've never made one of these before, so that's why I'm kind of bringing you along on the journey here. Okay. Don't put too much glue. Now what should I do? Should I do the wing first on there? See already, like, you know, this I baby wiped, but I can see a tiny little hair. So I'll just have to be really careful that this back part here is completely clean. All right. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the wing, my little delicate wing. Oh, the colors are just incredible. Okay. So it's going to go like this on an angle. I'm going to apply the glue to the wing and then lower this on top of it. I think that that might be the best way to go. Now again, I don't want the glue to show, so I'm just going to do teeny, teeny, tiny. The reason why I'm gluing this here is because, oh, good Lord, I don't want the wing to move around once, and I'm assuming that that's what's going to happen. Again, I haven't done this before, so hold on, I gotta wipe this for heaven's sakes. I haven't done this before. Maybe it's enough just to have it smooshed together. I don't know, but you know what? This is a precaution. I'm just doing the tiniest of tiny. Okay. Oh, jeez. I almost got glue on the front of my bookmark. Can you believe it? Now, this is the 3-in-1, so fortunately it kind of balls. Oh, see, I did. It balls up. Now my glue is probably dried. Success. Success. Okay. No rest for the wicked. I'm going to make sure that this is completely hair-free. Turn this upside down. Oh, God. The colors are just like wicked. Look at that. And actually, I mean, I didn't really think of this, but again, another obvious, Captain Obvious. This is going to be a reversible bookmark. Yay me! All right, let's get the glue in here. I think my battery is running low, so I'm gonna can't muck around here. Okay, Excellent. I'm going to let that dry. There's just a tiny little bit of this thing here because I didn't do a straight cut, but I can go back and just trim that. It's no big deal. All right, and then I'm going to glue this to this, and then we will have a bookmark. Now you can do this with feathers that you find, you know, insects like I'm doing, leaves, flowers, anything that you find, anything that's special for you. Anyhow, I'll be right back with the final touches.